Joining us once again with the latest in the grain markets is Kim Anderson. Kim, I want to start today with a little problem we're having here at home, and that around here we've got a lot of drought. We expect that's going to keep our yields down a bit, and you would expect that to improve price. But in other parts of the U.S., we're seeing increased acreage, so you think that would then suppress price. How's that going to balance out?
Well, right now, if you look at the wheat in most of Oklahoma, everywhere but the Panhandle, you've got the potential for above average yields. Yes, it's dry. Yes, we're still in drought conditions, but we've been getting timely rains on that wheat. And the critical time period is going to be that March, April, and May time periods, getting timely rains then. Also, we've got increased planted acres of hard red winter wheat. You go up into Kansas and north, good conditions. That could easily offset any reduced production we have in Oklahoma. So the price impact is probably going to be marginal, and if it's there, to a certain degree, it's already factored in the market.
All right, now let's look around the world a little bit for some of the things going on. And let's start with Russia. There's a lot of talk about a possible tax on exports going on there.
Right. I think that tax on exports, just like I said, talking about our drought situation, that's already factored in the market, and I'd say the price impact of that's going to be nominal at best.
Now, also in that part of the world, the weather's really affecting what they're doing.
Yes, if you look at Eastern Europe, the Ukraine, Russia, there was dry planting conditions. Ukraine only got about 80% of their wheat crop planted this last fall, and then they've had a severe, very cold February, and they're worried about winter kill there. Ukraine's talking about maybe a 35% reduction in wheat production from last year, and lower production in Eastern Europe and southern Russia.
And dry weather's hitting China as well.
Right, the northern part of China's dry, probably reduced production there. There's some analysts saying that we may even, that China may import some wheat this year. But you know as well as I do, you know what you're going to get when it crosses the scales, and there's a lot of time between now and harvest.
Okay. Now, all of that said, a lot of stuff going on. What does that mean for a wheat farmer here in the state of Oklahoma?
Well, I think producers should take advantage of this relatively high price as we're looking into July, and price some of that wheat, and then just wait and see what's going to happen with the rest of it.
All right, good information as always, Kim. Kim Anderson, our grain marketing specialist.